Hi guys, it's Vakur here, and today we are doing the unboxing of new Nubia Z50. Also, it's a Chinese version because there's only one version of it, which is only Chinese. So it has a Chinese ROM. So here is the box, which we have to open. Also, I've got a knife from IKEA. I just clean it only for this video purpose, so you can give a like for it, to be honest. Holy freak. Oh, I mean, do we need a knife actually? Let me use the right hander. Will help. A little bit of a help. Yeah, we don't need a knife, I guess. We don't need it. Let's go. I guess we got it. Here is it inside. Let's see. Holy moly. Oh. Can I just get it already? Come on. Okay, we are close. We are close. Okay, we got it. So here is it. Z50. We can see it's Z50. Yo, guys. It's real, it's real, it's not a joke, it's not a joke. I ordered it from the AliExpress, the French supplier. I don't remember the name of it. I mean, it was Van Small, something like this. One was Trend Store, and the second one was Van Small, so I went for the second one. You can ask me why, I have no idea. I just went like it. Okay, come on. Come on. Ooh, baby. It looks crazy. Here is it, Nubia Z50. Z50 Nubia. Nice hollow, like a sticker in CSGO game. And here's the back. Everything, it's certified Snapdragon. It's actually the cheapest Snapdragon from the Generation 2. Snapdragon 8 Generation 2, so yeah, that's pretty good, I guess, when it comes just to the components, the hardware in it. Also, we got a charger, I believe. How does it work, actually? What are these pins? No idea, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Maybe it's inside. Maybe the cable is inside. Let's see. Okay, so here is it, perfectly without the foil. That's how it looks. Actually, it's kinda. I can feel some fat in it, on it. Actually, it's pretty heavy. Even though the phone is lighter version of mine Poco X3, it's like 20 grams less. Okay, so here's the phone. Yeah, let's use it like this. That's how the camera looks like from the behind. Some Chinese words which I will never understand. Some code. Yeah. And I guess that's how you open it. I'm not so sure if I should take this foil off or not. Probably yes. I will take it later. Of course, I'll give a review after it. So here is it. There should be a charger, right? I mean the cable, right? Please tell me there is a cable. Because it's just an adapter. Okay, it's empty now. So we got two boxes, two small boxes and one big box. So let's check the big box first. I mean the long box. Oh! Wait! I ordered a TUI. We have a TUI in it. Bro, I feel so scammed. Actually, it's even a solid one, I would say, compared to mine right now. It's kind of better, like, wait. Wait a second. I'll give you the mine now. So here's the mine, and it's like I can easily like scrap it, touch it. When this one feels kinda harder, a little harder. Of course there is a whole gap for the camera, which is huge. But yeah, that's wow, crazy. Also we have something, the instruction, and bro, like I don't know the Chinese at all. Okay, it's fine. We go to this one. That's probably a charger, and that's probably a cable. Looking from the icons, it looks like a cable, and this one looks like a charger. By the way, it's pretty freaking heavy. Like really, it's heavy. So let's open the charger first. Let's see. I mean, probably it's a Chinese version. Yeah, so that's how Chinese adapters looks like probably. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. USB-C obviously. Well, sadly, oh, so that's why we got it. So I can put it there, right? Like, please tell me that I can do that. Like, look. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. Bro, what? Maybe from the other side. You know what? I cannot put it in. I cannot. Like how? Maybe I have to put it stronger. I have to use the power maybe. Oh yeah, I use the power and it works. Crazy. Okay, so now let's just go to the cable. Hopefully it's good. Wait, it's orange. No, I destroyed the sheet. Wait, it's from the other side. I'm stupid. So here's the cable. Here comes it. Wait, actually? Yo. It's a nice texture. Nice material. And here's the USB-C from both sides. Is it long? Well, I wouldn't say so. It's not long. It's not long. So that's how it works. How it looks. Also, maybe let's open it. Is it charged already? Yeah, we hear the sound, baby. Okay, so it's going to be like first start of this Nubia. The first one. Wow. Wait. What? I should be only able to choose English. Is there a Polish? Bro, I have Polish. What? Yo. Bro, that's crazy actually that I have a Polish. Should I go with English? Australia, Canada, United Kingdom. Maybe I'll just go English. Yeah, I'll stick to English. I can always change it. Ireland, United Kingdom, I mean US? No, let's take the United Kingdom. Okay. We Gucci with it. My OS. Yeah, I'll have to put the SIM card later because now I'm using this phone. Yes, of course, I agree. I know everything. Skip the account. Device security. We can do it later, so I'll do it later. Enable weather. Nah. Oh. I can change my phone. Okay, so that's how it works. Freak it. Well, okay, whatever. You know, I will stop here and I will just come back with a review later. So I just set up a phone and that's how it looks. It instantly opened the browser. I know what there is an NBA in the in Chinese. Like, what is there NBA news in China? The phone is pretty fast, not gonna lie. There is a wide read, I guess. Something like that. And the phone looks pretty fast. Also, I like the font. Font is much better from the Poco X3 Pro. Well, let's just go back. I just put my all the things I needed from the old phone. And the best thing which I need right now is, where is the Play Store? Can I open a YouTube? Wait, I don't have the internet, right? Or do I? Wait. Let's see if I can open the YouTube on this YouTube. What is it? Wait, oh, that's it. That's the update for it. I guess I have to take it. It's from the Chinese thing. Based on the settings. Let's see it. Let's go instantly into display. And let's see the screen refresh rate. It's 60, it's 120. Now I have 144. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. The brightness, wow, it just bends my eyes. Unironically, it's much better than on mine phone. Right now. Sync Mind, what is it? 5G smart communication. Wow. System Engine IE. Wow, no idea what is it. Looks like there are going to be so many good things there. Still navigation. Yeah, virtual. Let's change it. Yeah, it's just better now. Also, everything looks so fast compared to mine phone. Wow, it's just crazy. Let's see the App Center. Skip it. What is it? Oh, TikTok, only 2 stars in China? 2 stars in China, you see? The TikTok has 2 stars in China. So I guess that's terrible for Chinese people. Let's see the comments. Can I translate them? There's like 67% says it's bad. It's just 1 stars only. Like, yo. That's crazy. TFT? I guess that's TFT. Yes, that's TFT. Oh! It's, the night. What's the name of it? Or it's new type of it. That was a Shadow Knight? No. Wait, that's totally different version of it. It looks like a Chinese different version. It's Soul Knight. Yeah. I know there's so many. I don't understand it. Can I change the language maybe? App Manager, Duolingo update, net update, weather update, download. Yeah, Google Play. We are installing it, baby. Come on, show me it. So that's good. We can install a Google Play, which is already a huge W. If we wouldn't be able to install it, it would be over. It would be so over. But because we can install it, it's fine. Because I remember that in the later versions of MIUI, you cannot install a Google Play, but it's a HyperOS. It's not MIUI, so it's a different system. So, wow. Okay, come on. I want to see a Google Play in English. Come on. It's kind of funny that, look, no, the whole English is in Chinese here. What is this shit, bro? Why it's slowing? Okay, whatever. I'll just come back after like using the phone because it's pointless for now.